everyone, Malik here, back with another tech tip for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily translate a whole PDF or Word document into any language using GPT. So if you've got important documents or just need to understand something in another language, stick around. Open your web browser and go to the GPT-based translation tool website. For example, you can use a platform like ChatGPT with file upload capabilities. If you haven't already, sign into your account or create one. Most platforms will require you to log in to use their services. Look for the Upload or Choose File button. Click on it and then select your PDF or Word file from your computer. The upload process might take a few moments depending on the file size. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see options to choose the language you want to translate your document into. Select the language from the drop-down menu. Hit the Translate button. The tool will process your file and start translating it into the selected language. After the translation is complete, you'll get a link to download your translated document. Click on the link to save the file to your computer. Open the translated file and review it to make sure everything looks good. If you notice any errors, you can usually make adjustments or ask for a revision. And that's it! Translating your documents has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, share this with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.